Here to tell us more is our friend Rob Cresswell. Hey, Rob, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me back, Sierra.
Yeah, welcome back to the Daily Refresh. All right, I know we want to get into all of this, but I do want our viewers that may not know, tell me why you are so passionate about GregO2.
Okay, so Greg was my younger brother, and last year he was in a local restaurant, and he choked on a piece of steak, and there was a lot of people in the restaurant. People panicked, and people didn't know what to do. So Greg passed away September the 1st of last year. So I learned about a device called LifeVac, and I bought one, looked at it, and sort of had a calling to put one in every senior living center, school, restaurant, and daycare, and EMT vehicle in Chattanooga. Yeah.
So Rob, you're doing it, and you've made this your life's work, and I know Greg would be very proud. Now tell us what it is we have all spread out here, because the LifeVac's easy to use. It's silly to not have one.
It is the easiest device. So the Heimlich maneuver is something that's very important to know, and it saves about 63% of the victims that are choking. And so the LifeVac has saved thousands of victims, and they've never had a failure.
Wow.
So it's an amazing piece of equipment.
Yeah.
So really easy. It's just like a plunger. And so to use it, you just place it over the victim, hold your fingers down, press and pull. And that's all you do.
Wow.
And sometimes you might do it twice, but when you push down, all the air is deflected out of these holes, and when you pull back up, it's got a backflow device that sucks everything out. So
wow. It is just that easy.
Very
now,
easy.
I know your call in life is to get these literally anywhere possible.
Yes.
So you have a call to action for us all. What is that today?
So donations. So it's going to cost us over $400,000 to take care of Hamilton County. So we need donations. To put one in we're going to put this unit right here in every school, restaurant, senior living, daycare center, and EMT. So it's a lot of boxes. It's over 4,000. So so we are, if you donate $100 before June the 6th, you get a LifeVac, and we send those to you.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Now, we're going to put your information on screen, and it's really important that everyone knows it is not GregO2, it is GregO2. What does the O stand for?
O stands for oxygen.
Yeah, so remember that when you're doing it.
Yep.
Here's all the information right there. You can call the number, go on the website, or email Rob. He's happy to answer any and all questions. Thank you so much for doing this, and I hope so many businesses will have these very soon.
I hope so too. GregO2.org.
Yes.
And go now.
Go now.
Yeah, go
Save
now.
a life.
Do it. Let's do it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here. All right, you guys, that is all the time that we have right here on the Daily Refresh.